Hello student, let's discuss the question. In this question we have to find out the integrate of the function, and the function is x plus 3 which is divided by the x raised to the power 2 minus 2x minus 5 which is further multiplied by the dx. So we have to find out its integral. So before finding its integrate we are going to simplify this term. So in order to simplify this we are going to multiply and divide this number by 2. So this from here is equals to 1 divided by 2 multiply by the 2 multiplied by the x plus 3 become equals to 2 of x plus 6 which is divided by the x raised to the power 2 minus 2x minus 5 which is further multiplied by dx. Now we are going to add and subtract 2 in the numerator. So this from here become equals to 1 divided by 2 integral of 2 of x minus 2 plus 6 plus 2 which is divided by the x raised to the power 2 minus 2x minus 5 multiplied by the dx. Now we are going to separate the integrals. So we can write this as this is equals to 1 divided by 2. This from here is 2 of x minus 2 divided by the x raised to the power 2 minus 2x minus 5 multiplied by the dx plus 6 plus 2 is 8. So this from here is equals to integral of 8 divided by the x raised to the power 2 minus 2x minus 5 which is further multiplied by the dx. So let's say this is the value of the I1 and this is the value of the I2. So we are going to solve the I1 first. So I1 is equals to integral of 2 of x minus 2 which is divided 2 of x minus 2 which is divided by the x raised to the power 2 minus 2x minus 5 multiplied by the dx. Here we are going to put x square minus 2x minus 5 is equals to t. We are going to differentiate this with respect to x on both sides. So this from here is equals to d divided by the dx of x raised to the power 2 minus 2x minus 5 and this become equals to d divided by the dx of t. Differentiation of x square with respect to x is 2x and that of minus 2x become equals to minus 2. 5 is constant so its differentiation is 0. This become equals to dt divided by the dx. So the value of the dx is equals to dt divided by the 2 of x minus 2. So the value of this I1 from here become equals to integral of 2 of x minus 2 and we just let that the value of the x square minus 2x minus 5 is t. So this is t multiply by the dx is equals to dt divided by the 2x minus 2. 2x minus 2 to 2x minus 2 cancel. We are only left with I1 that is equals to 1 divided by t multiplied by the dt. We know that the integral of 1 divided by the x multiplied by the dx is equals to log of mod of x plus c. So the integral of 1 divided by t with respect to dt is equals to log of mod of t plus c. Let's say this is c1. So the value of I1 is equals to log of mod of plug the value of t that is equals to x raised to the power 2 minus 2x minus 5 plus c. So this is the value of the I1 from here. Now we are going to find out the value of the I2. So look here, this is our I2. I2 from here is equals to integral of 8 divided by the x raised to the power 2 minus 2x minus 5 which is multiplied by dx. We can write that this is equals to 1 divided by the integral of 1 divided by the x raised to the power 2 minus 2x minus 5 which is further multiplied by the dx. We can write this as 8 multiplied by the 1 divided by the x raised to the power 2 minus we can write this as 2 multiplied by the 1 multiplied by the x minus 5. In order to form the identity, we are going to add and subtract 1 in the denominator inside the under root. So this from here is equals to plus 1 and 1 square is equals to 1 minus 1 square. We can also write this as 1 square. So this from here become equals to integral of 1 divided by the x raised to the power 2 minus 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by x plus 1 raised to the power 2 minus 5 and this is minus 1. Minus 1 square is minus 1 which is multiplied by the dx. So this from here is equals to 8 multiplied by the integral of 1 divided by the this is a square, this is b square, this is minus 2ab. So this is forming an identity which is a minus b whole square. So this become equals to x minus 1 whole square and minus 5 minus 1 become equals to minus 6 multiplied by the dx. So we can write this as 8 multiplied by integral of 1 divided by the x minus 1 to its whole square. We can write this as minus of 6 under root 6 to its whole square. So from here we know that the value of the integral of 1 divided by the x square minus a square with respect to dx is equals to 1 divided by the 2a log of mod of x minus a divided by the x plus a. So the value of this from here become equals to 8 multiplied by the 1 divided by the 2a. 1 divided by the 2, the value of a is under root 6. So this equals to 1 divided by the 2 multiplied by under root 6 log of mod of x minus a, that is x minus 1 minus under root 6 divided by the x plus a, that is x minus 1 plus under root 6. Let's say this is the value of the C2. Now the value of I is equals to 1 divided by the 2 of I1 plus I2. So plugging the value here, this become equals to 1 divided by 2. The value of the I is equals to log of mod of x raised to the power 2 minus 2x minus 5. And this from here is equals to plus 8 is already there. This is 8 divided by the 2 under root 6 multiplied by the log of mod of x minus 1 minus under root 6 divided by the x minus 1 plus under root 6 plus c. So this is here. So we can say that we are going to multiply this 1 divided by 2 inside the bracket. So this from here is equals to 1 divided by the 2 log of mod of x raised to the power 2 minus 2x minus 5 plus 8 divided by the 4 become equals to 2 divided by the under root 6 mod of log of mod of x minus 1 minus 6 divided by the x minus 1 plus under root 6 plus c. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this, we use the basic concept of integrals. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.